Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Ladies and gentlemen, lending and borrowing is finally here, or supply and borrow. So let's talk about that. As you guys know, with the MELD app being released, you're probably thinking, hey, when is the Moose coming out with the tutorial video? Well, currently it is being uploaded. It will be out within an hour from now. So by the time you're watching this video, that video should be out as well. So if you guys do appreciate that, like, comment, subscribe. But nonetheless, we are going to be talking about MELD and specifically the lending and borrowing. So let me share with you one thing first. As you guys can see here, I've got my MELD app working. It's fantastic. It's just really cool to, throw it back at the haters who have been talking about MELD, how it's going to be a scam. They can't pull it off. It won't work. Well, guess what? Lending and borrowing is now here. So let's go to MELD. And by the way, the Moose got loose on a tantrum ring. So I am excited. I've been talking about it, guys. The Moose is going to get married to crypto, and we're one step closer. So once that ring comes in, man, I'm going to have to put on the suit, get a cigar, who knows. So lending and borrowing, fire sale. That's like a little chat, but you're starting to see some posts. So I want to give you guys a first look here, and I'm just going to log in. So again, lending and borrowing is here, but it's only available for the desktop app. So it's not available on mobile. It will be in the near future. So keep that in mind as well. All right, so we are going to put in our password. And I am super, super thrilled. So here we are going to connect our wallets if we haven't already. So it looks like we're good. Yeah, so I do have my MetaMask, my NAMI. So we got those things connected. But now we can see our supply and borrow. So soon we will also get our NFT bank managers to work. Hopefully we will have just NFTs working with the MELD blockchain, but this is a massive improvement. We've been waiting a long time for this. You can now do supply and borrow with the MELD app. So let's take a look at the wallet here. And I don't know if I have anything really to supply. So if you look at the numbers, you got MELD, you got ADA, USDT. So supply rate, borrow rate, very interesting here, very interesting. So let's go to our wallet. What do we have? So I got some Igon staking. I have quite a bit of MELD now. So guys, comment down below if you're staking your MELD. I am currently participating in the Azomi ISPO. Remember, if you're in there, it's based on activity. So yes, if you participate in the ISPO, it will add a boost. I just want to give you guys a first look, just to share with you how excited I am. Really get the news out there that you can begin to lend and borrow your crypto, which is just phenomenal. So it looks like available to supply. It's cool, but I'm not going to get any money for that. So one thing to keep in mind as well, it looks like with the MELD wallet, you can do it with MetaMask. You can do it as well. So it looks like we can toggle between the two. So I don't know if this is working or not with your NAMI wallet. So probably not. So here's MetaMask. If we go to MELD wallet, we have USDT. So that offers 1.74% supply. Let's say we supplied some USDT. Hopefully we just pay in some MELD. So if we hit approve, and of course, I don't even think I have this connected right now. I don't, but that's okay. You guys get the idea. Well, of course I have it connected. I'm not using my hardware wallet, so I got one over here. So that is interesting. So confirm gas fees are nothing. Wow. So we're supplying $37 worth of USDT to get like 1%. So let's just get some crazy gains. So supply yield 1.73. So the Moose supplied officially some USDT. I'm wondering what it is for Bitcoin. So available to borrow. So I could borrow some Bitcoin now. Crazy. That's interesting. So here's my USDT. So supply, I got $37. Wow, this is really cool. Really, really cool. So now we can borrow stuff. So borrow power, I've got $18. That's pretty good. So let's say you appreciate a ton. You know, you can just supply and borrow some of your assets. That is really cool. So here I can select an asset. Let's say I want to borrow some Bitcoin. Why not? Risk factor 60 out of 100. That's pretty good. Dude, I'll take a risk factor of 2 out of 100. Let's get loose. So I'm not going to do that, but you guys get the idea. Again, we're just kind of having fun here, letting loose a bit. So 1.73, is this what I'm getting? So this token was bridged with Akamon, which offers a yield boost on supply position. That's really cool. So the performance, I've already earned 0.0002 USDT. Very nice. Risk factor, I guess that's not really showing too much yet. I'm not supplying a lot, but I'm definitely going to have to do more videos on this. Quite frankly, I'm not as educated as I should be on this, but this is really fun. It's cool to just see this, to just, not only that, but the staking. Like the staking is still somewhat new. Like we haven't always had staking. And the fact that it looks as good, I am super impressed. And when it gets to the cell phone, man, that's going to be awesome. So guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how loose did MELD get on the supply and borrow? I think it looks great. So I'm definitely going to have to get more MELD in here and check out which assets will do the best. Looks like we'll have to do some research here. But guys, download the app. You guys know where to go. Use the link tree. Use code MOOSE. Save 10% off your Tangem. And guys, there's also that node sale. So that is happening right now. This will give you a massive boost, especially if you can purchase one. So I'm probably going to be picking one up. I already picked up the Tangem ring. Guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.